I'm Dr. Sundra Lemanski. I'm an optometrist at Parmer Eye Care. And it's been a minute since I did one of these Instagram updates for our patients and for any of those who are following us. So just wanted to let you know what's going on here at Parmer Eye Care. We have not slacked off in the least all throughout the whole epidemic with COVID as far as our practices on being safe and cautious with it. So even though there's been some dips and upturns in the number of COVID cases that there are in our area, we never slowed down on how careful we were being with it. So you know that if you've been hesitant to come get your eyes checked or get your contact lens prescription updated or buy a new pair of glasses, don't hesitate to come to Parmer Eye Care because we're making it as safe as we possibly can. There's a little barricade or barrier across the door, so people are not even allowed to come in and out of the door without getting checked. Whenever somebody comes in, say if they have an eye exam appointment, they stop at the door, we check their temperature, we ask them a couple of screening questions about symptoms and who they've been around and so forth, and then they're taken directly to the sink to wash their hands and into the prelim room. There's not any waiting out in the lobby. And get everything done with all of their testing and then see the doctor in the exam rooms. We're very cautious about every exam room gets sanitized between patients no matter what. We even installed a new little flag system on the door so we can put out, one flag is the doctor's in there, another flag is the tech is in there. All flags means it needs to be cleaned, and none of the flags out means that it's just been cleaned. So we installed that to make sure that we all have communication about what's going on with the exam room sanitations. When you pick out glasses, you come into the lobby. We are limiting the number of patients in our office at a time. We ask that most of the time we limit it by how many exams we're seeing. So if you're coming in to shop for glasses and you aren't having your eyes checked, maybe give us a call ahead of time and we'll make sure that there's not going to be too many people here at the same time. But whenever you try on frames in our office, we ask that when you take them off the board and try them on, even if you don't like them, we're going to have you set them in a little basket and they're going to get sanitized before they go back on the board for somebody else to try on. So we're being careful with that. Any frame that you choose to try on it from our boards has not been on somebody else's face since the last time it was sanitized. So anyway, just a few things to show you that we are very conscious of the levels of COVID right now. The vaccine's rolling out. Hopefully everything will be better soon, but as of right now, it's still crazy, lots of cases out there. So we're doing everything we can to keep anybody from catching it here at Parmer Eye Care. So hope to see you soon. Thanks.